Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by handling blockers. Cancel or pause subscriptions because Apple won't let you switch regions with active subscriptions. Once done, make sure you have a payment method and billing address that match the new country. That is required. Back up your device and note any Apple ID purchases because some content may not be available after the change. Now open Settings and tap your name to access account options. This is the real starting point for the change. You navigate Media and Purchases and choose View Account. That takes you to Account Settings. Next, select Country or Region and pick the new country from the list. Do this carefully because it affects apps and content availability. Then enter the billing address and a payment method issued in that country and accept the updated terms. Without valid matching billing info, Apple will reject the change. Once confirmed, Apple updates your App Store region and associated storefronts with it. You finish by redownloading apps that change storefronts and resubscribing where needed. Some purchases won't transfer across regions. If Apple blocks the change, make sure no active subscriptions remain and remove payment methods tied to your old country, then try again. A key tip: if you still face errors because of store credit or pending refunds, contact Apple support. They can clear balances or advise steps. That usually resolves the final roadblocks, so your account reflects the new location.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.